You can easily import contacts from a spreadsheet, either in the contacts section to just have them in your system available for you to bulk select or filter and export or bulk email from here, or to just make it easier for you to keep all your contacts in a single place so that when you add bookings in the system or add people into courses, you have them all loaded up. Or frequently when you start with Codemy, you need to import students and contacts from another system. So if you have people already in your course, for example, you'll want to import them in here. So the way to do that is through the import buttons. You're going to see them in the contact section to import contacts in your system directly, but you will also see the option to import in your courses. It's called Add People, and you click on that, and then you just drag in your spreadsheet into the import window and map the columns. It's the same process in the contact section. You click here, import. However, there's a more simplified process. You just map the contact information from your spreadsheet and that's it. Whereas if you import into a course, we'll ask you additional information such as if they've paid and so how much, if the course has dates, which date you want them to be added into, and you'll be able to map that from your spreadsheet. Now, I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to map in a spreadsheet with contacts that I want to add, and this will load up all the columns in my spreadsheet and allow me to map the columns from the spreadsheet to the contact information in the contact fields in my system. So I'm going to map this column here that has the first name of all of my contacts, and there's a preview of or a sample of the contact information in that column in my spreadsheet. I want last name to be mapped to the last name field in Codemy, and email you could see automatically got mapped to the email field for my contacts. I don't want to import the gender, so I'm going to leave it as do not import. I'm going to click next. I can choose whether I want my contacts to be updated, and that will deduplicate contacts by their email address, and if there's new information in the spreadsheet, it will override whatever I already have in my system. Again, it's going to do that by looking up the email address of the contact and deduplicate it that way. I click import, and there you go. I will now get an email once it's finished processing to say that it's finished processing. And if it's I'm importing the contacts into a particular course, it will create all the bookings into that course. If it needs to create dates for the bookings, it will do that, and you'll see them all created in the system automatically. If you have any questions, as always, message us.